Hello and welcome to JTV's Jewellery Care and Repair series. I'm John Brooks, one of the jewelers here at JTV. Our lesson today is how to repair an earring that doesn't catch anymore. I brought along an earring here to show us. This is probably one of the main fixes that we do in the shop here at JTV. This is a Huggie style earring, meaning it's hinged at the bottom here and it just hugs your ear very closely. Now what's happened here over a period of time is this post has lost its memory. Now, I brought along a ruler here to show you what I mean. Metal has a normal state. Once you flex or bend it and then release it, it returns back to that state. That's its memory. Now, what's happened here over a period of time of opening, closing, the post has lost its memory and it's not catching anymore. If you look closely, there's a notch on the end of that post, and that catches on the female end under that lip. And because it's been open and closed so many times, it's not catching there anymore. And this is a very easy fix, and you can do it at home with a pair of needle nose pliers here. And all you're going to have to do is pry up ever so slightly on that post. And believe it or not, you can probably even do this with your thumb. But let's just tweak this up ever so slightly, and a little bit at a time. And there we go, it's snapped right back in place. Well, thank you for watching our video today. Please be sure to tune in to JTV's channel for more great tips on jewellery care and repair. Come back and see you soon.